Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can message or contact your connections on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to send a message to your connections, it's pretty simple. First, go ahead and tap on your connections here. You can see I currently have two, and this will display a list of all the connections that you have. If you can't see your list of connections, you can also go to more here, and then under connections, this will list again all the connections that you have. Now go ahead and tap on one of them, and to chat with them or to inbox them, go ahead and tap on this option called chat. And here you can go ahead and write anything. And then once you have composed your message, just go ahead and tap on send, and this will be sent directly to your connection. So that's how you can chat with your connections on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.